Okay, play.
Do what?
I love that girl right there, Tracy Gale. That's my favorite.
Now get away from window. Okay, now.
You don't play when you don't look like
No,
that.
no.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, I do. Tom.
Yeah, I do.
Well, I love you, girl. I love you more than life. I think I've got this on another video. You need to say something else. When's the last time you had this? I didn't get it last night. I used to say something different, so I do. You ain't got me yet? Yeah, I got you. You didn't get me saying all of that? Not all of it.
God, I
didn't
love
want
that
me to you
woman.
yet.
I tell you now, she sounds like Loretta Lynn.
Well, you're looking good. You're closer to the ceiling. Huh?
Look at Barbara.
That's sweet.